Okay, we're still on the stage stuff. And again, I want to remind you, a couple of sections ago, we clicked on this. You can still do that, by the way. But what happened for me was I use it so often that they say, hey, you know what, maybe we can start charging you because you're using our resources. And I wasn't interested. So what I do, I install the application on my computer. All right. So if you want to install on your computer, you can, but you're not obligated to do so. But as you move forward, though, if you are going to be using Sage, you would want to learn how to install software on your computer. All right. I'm going to say it's installed on my computer and it's running right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the code in, reset. We've been doing this for some time. What does that give me? A clean slate. X is a variable and the variable is X. That may seem odd I'm doing that. And I want to do this over here. And again, when I do this over here, someone says, why you do copy and paste? I did type it in. I had to. But what I'm going to claim over here is what this does. It seems like there's multiple things going on over here, and it's not easy. I'm not saying it's going to be easy for you to read this, but it appears what they want to do is factor something. And then after they factor it, they want to simplify it. And I'm going to look back in the notes for this. Let me put the return. All right. And it says it's, 1/2 of an X. I'm going to go back in the notes though, and look for this particular problem. And it's important that you start to realize the reason we give you this Sage code, it's related to what we just did. All right. So I'm really looking for an answer of 1/2 of an X or X over 2. Just scrolling. I know it's tough. I don't enjoy this either, by the way. I hate looking for things. It's like Find Waldo or something. Oh, right there. Look at that. So let me see what they've given me. It's the same thing. Well, x squared plus minus 3x, I see that on top, and the bottom is 2x minus 6. What did they do? They factored it and simplified it, just like we did. All right. I want to see if I can do problem number 5, though. All right. I'm going to type it in, factor. I'm going to make a mistake. I know that. And, x squared plus 7 star x minus 8. That would be a mistake, huh? Divide by, I'm just learning, x squared plus 6 star x minus 7. And I'm going to type in that full simplify now. And again, I'm seeing if I can learn from the prior code given to me. And yeah, you're going to make mistakes. Wow. What I get, x plus 8 over x plus 7. Again, you could say, well, why don't I just do that for all the problems? No. What you want to do is do what we're doing in class. Right? Now someone says, well, why are you showing me the Sage stuff? The reason we show you Sage is so you can start getting your feet wet. So when you get to upper level courses, when it's time to start using machines, you'll be able to use the machine to solve more difficult problems. But every problem that we give you is doable with paper and pencil. But their time will come when you cannot do a problem with paper and pencil. You're going to need a machine. It's not these problems, though. All right, not these problems over here. So let me just go back over to that Sage code. And again, you're more than welcome to give this a try. This one looks really long to me. I'm just going to do a copy paste. Boy, let me look back in the code, see if I see that one. X minus 5 over x plus 3. Oh, it's right there. Let's see if it's the same question. And lo and behold, it's the same thing. Now, you may not know that looking at it, but it's x squared plus 2x minus 35. I see that. Divide by x squared plus 4x minus 21. That's the first term. I'm sorry, the first factor, this guy over here. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. And then the next guy was going to be, let's see, x squared plus 3x minus 18. And then the bottom would be x squared plus 9. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, looks good. You can do that too by hand, though. Don't think you have to do a computer to do that. All right, let's go back to the Sage. Again, you're trying to learn by retyping this stuff over here. I'm going to point out, you're more than welcome to do this. What is this doing? It's assigning to this thing over here a function f of x, a rational, and then it's assigning to g of x another rational. And what is it doing? It's factoring it and then doing a full simplification of it. Exactly what we've been doing. We've been factoring them and then we simplify them. Exactly what we would have done. All right. And you can give that a shot if you want. Thank you for listening.